If you've been following along, you know that I stained my back porch just the other week. Well, I still have yet to get way down here where it meets the stone. Yeah, all these rocks. I have to get that part so that that transition looks a little bit better. And same over here. There's this little area from here over to there where I couldn't quite get, so I have to dig all these rocks away from that so that I can stain that and make this porch look real purty. Ooh-wee, that shit is looking pretty. Look at those transitions into the ground now. So much better. Now I just have to fill in these little trenches that I dug out here. I'm going to use some of this actual just straight up rock, you know, because some of this was ground and things like that, dirt. So by filling it in with just rock, it should help the drainage a little bit better and help keep this looking good for a little while longer. There we are, 100% done. Look at those ground transitions now. Yeah, buddy, looking good. I even got the other railing on. Right there.